Hi everyone, hope you're doing okay. I just wanted to go over with you about the next couple of week assignments. As you remember, you've got assignments due tomorrow night, Thursday, September 3rd, and y'all are really working hard on that, and I appreciate that. But I want to discuss with you about Module 2 and Module 3. Module 2 will covers chapters 4 through 7, and you see that there are some readings that you need to do besides the chapters in your book. And also, you have a form on your survey of your language, which goes along with this handout right here, or this resource. So I just wanted to point that out to you. Okay, next will be your first exam, which will covers chapter 4 through 7. And then you have a major project, which you are observing a classroom's literacy environment to see if they're literacy rich. You have to do this in a preschool classroom in a child care setting that's 3 to 5 stars. And I would encourage you just to use our Child Development Center. I know some of you are working maybe at a school, so you can always come in the afternoon and do that. They're open till 6 o'clock. But please contact Tess to make arrangements for this, to come and observe. What you will need to do during this observation is you will be looking for the items in the Literacy Rich checklist, and what you can do is you can print this and take this along with you, or if you're having trouble printing, if you'll let me know ahead of time, I will get it printed for you, and I can leave it in the center for you, or I can leave it here in my office, but just shoot me an email about that. So again, these are the two things that you've got coming up for the next 2 weeks, and please email me or call me if you have any questions. I appreciate all your hard work. Have a good day. Thanks.